We're using this db.json file to model the data types that we're interacting with on the front end. It doesn't directly line up to the transport layer, which we're using GraphQL for. Here, the entity types that we interact with line up a lot more closely to the Prisma file, which we're using to model the entity types on the backend. For example, if we look at the project model in the Prisma file, you'll see that it has fields that are similar to the project type in the GraphQL file. But there isn't a project type represented in the db.json file, partially because that's not very relevant to what we're trying to do right now. To make this a bit easier on us, we're going to treat posts and comments as if they're just concepts. This is similar to using a document database, but in this case, our backend is using a relational database. Here we can have source, which is a string of undefined length so far. And we can send that via the source attribute on the GraphQL type. Comments can also relate to posts and other comments. And we're managing this with the concept model. These have a primary concept and a secondary concept and can specify a relationship.